Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to Hollywood Consultant. Today we will be discussing the Shopify dashboard. The topic is products. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button to receive notifications. So here we go. This is the dashboard. We're going to click over to the left to products. And here we're going to enter the title. You could put in whatever title works best for you. So here we go, a short sleeve crew neck. Here I'm going to show you the Shopify Magic, which is their AI program. I'm just going to type in a few keywords and have them generate a product description for me so you guys can see how this works. And generate there. Okay, that looks good. So we'll keep that, and that will be the description that you use for this product. I'm going to put this in draft because I don't want it to display, as this is an example. When you're ready to publish the product, you can just switch it over to active. If you're not ready, just put it in draft and it will just sit in the background. Again, here is where the media goes. So if you have an image you want to place in there, you can just upload it. Now we're going to enter the price and the cost per item. There you go. Then we're going to cross over to the product organization. You list your category, your product type, okay, your vendor if you have one. Collections, we can get into collections at a later date. I'll do a video for that. Tags, you tag your products. You can put as many tags as you would like, and whatever you would like, however you would like to tag your products, just make sure that you tag your products. I can explain all of that. We can show that in the collections video that we would do at a later time, and then you have a better understanding of how and why it's important to do those tags. Now we're going to go down to checking out your locations. This part is if you have locations outside of just this one store. Let's say you have a retail operation, you want to put in your stock keeping units, or if you have barcode scanners, your ISBNs, your UPCs, those are codes that will be used for retail operations and marketplaces like Amazon and Walmart, etc. Of course, you put your weight in for shipping purposes, and see you have a description for your search engine listing. And now we're going to save that. Okay, so now the product is created. Again, I have it saved in draft, so it would not actually populate and publish to the store, aka the website. When you're ready to publish it, you just click and hit it over to active. And here we're going to show you how to set up a collection. I'm just going to go right here, create collection, put a title in. This is very basic, the same way as creating a product. Okay, I'm just going to go down to collection type and hit automated because that's what we're going to use to create our collection. Okay, hit automated. Scroll on down. For a product tag, I'm going to put that as equal to men as part of the men's collection. Just put the product tag as equals to, let me correct that, to men. Okay. Okay, let me hit any condition. That way, anything that says men will populate. I'm going to just scroll back up. Let me just go and type in the description. That way you guys can see how this will look. I'm just going to type in whatever comes to my mind. This is just an example. I'm not going to publish this. To show you that it creates a description in your search engine listing, which is important. I'm going to save that. Okay, and now we can scroll down and you will see that you have two products that populated in your men's collection, and that's due to the product tags and setting it all up in there. Okay, I'm just going to remove these from my store. All right, and now I can save it, and I've officially created your men's clothing collection right here, and there you have it. Boom. Created the collection. Now we're going to go over to inventory. That is where you can, it's self-explanatory. This is where all your inventory will be listed. So whatever products you have in your store will be listed here. You can update it, you can add, subtract, and just save it, and it will update your inventory across all the different locations you have on your Shopify platform. Oh, see, it's going to show you that the quantities have been updated. Now for purchase orders. Purchase orders are, where you can manage and track your inventory, what you're receiving from suppliers, what you're pushing out to other vendors and what have you. So here is where you can create purchase orders and keep a track of your inventory as far as what you've been receiving and what you've been letting out of your shop, so to speak. We're going to go back and leave the page. Transfers. So now transfers are when you have more than one location and you're literally just moving your inventory from store to store. So this is where you will do that. Gift cards, you have the option to create your own gift card or to add a gift card product. So we can create our own gift cards, and there you will have the gift card code. You can put your initial value, set up whatever expiration dates you have, and you will have gift cards for your store. And last but not least, catalogs. Catalogs are what you use when you're doing wholesaling. It is there. If you need it, you can create one. That concludes today's Hollywood Consulting piece on Shopify dashboards, topic products. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to connect with us on all social media platforms listed right here. Also, like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button.